What oils are suitable for Indian cooking, i.e., extended frying duration? Indian cooking basically uses oil from the beginning of the process, typically starting with sautéing ginger and garlic, then adding shallots, chilies, and onions. So the oil is on the fire for quite some time. I would like to know whether any type of olive oil will be suitable for this type of cooking. Extra virgin olive oil seems to be out of the question from what I have read.
With olive oils, the more refined they are, the higher their burning point. So you are correct, an organic extra virgin olive oil would be a terrible choice for Indian cooking, would cause effect on taste, smell, and nutrition, which has prolonged periods of sautéing on high heat. Lower quality olive oils, or a light olive oil, interestingly, would be a better choice. They are much more refined like vegetable oils, so have a higher burning point. But at that point, you'd consider, why are you using olive oil? Consider using refined butter, ghee, or coconut oil for Indian cooking. Ghee and coconut oil will rarely smoke or burn and can stand high heat pretty well. I believe traditional Indian cooking uses ghee. Indian food is commonly cooked with ghee, clarified butter, for both religious and flavor reasons. Where ghee is not used, coconut or refined palm oil are common. I can also tell you from experience that Indian food can be made with unflavored vegetable oils, canola, sunflower or soy, without a deleterious effect on flavor or texture.